All right, well, we got a lot of dead trees down tonight. We've got a lot to go. Basically what we're doing is we're going through here and we're just kind of cutting everything dead down. We're going to put it in the pile, burn it. We're going to go down in through here, cut it all down, and do the same thing. Burn it, get it just kind of cleaned up a little bit. Dead trees keep falling, and I want to thicken this up a little bit so that I have a little bit more privacy for my house. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.